Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Code Mafians. In this video, we'll dive deep into the case statement, its syntax and how to use it effectively in your SQL queries. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to categorize data using case statements. Now we'll write our case statement. We'll select everything from our table, that is dummy data sheet 1. And then we'll specify the columns. We'll first insert the column name, that is employee's name. Next we'll insert manager's ID, salary, department, hire date and location. Now that we have inserted our column's name, we'll begin the case statement. We'll insert the keyword case, followed by the word when, that is our next keyword. And now we will specify the condition, that is if salary is greater than 60,000, then categorize it as high salary. And the same way we'll specify the second condition, starting with the keyword when. When salary is greater than equal to 40,000, and less than equal to 60,000. Then categorize it as medium salary. When is followed by else. If the above two conditions are not met, then this condition will be displayed, that is low salary. And as, we'll close the case statement with and as, and we'll specify the name as salary category. And now we'll run the query and we can see the results that it has categorized employees based on their salary into high salary, medium salary and low salary category. So basically in this query we first selected all the columns that we wanted to display in the output, and after that we incorporated the case statement and we specified the condition that when salary is greater than 60,000 then categorize the employee in the high salary category, and when salary is greater than equal to 40,000 and less than equal to 60,000 then categorized the employee in the medium salary category, and if none of the conditions are met categorize the employee in a low salary category, and we ended the case statement as salary category. And this is what the query's output looks like. It has categorized employee based on the conditions stated above. That's it for our tutorial on the SQL case statement and select queries. We have learned what the case statement is, its syntax, and how to use it to categorize data effectively. Feel free to practice this concept on your own and stay tuned for more SQL tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.